Thanks, Paris. All right, joining us now is Roma Ihrig, and she's here to show us how to make some spring drinks. Roma, what do you have for us?
Hi guys, thank you so much for.
Thank you. I'm excited to try these.
Well, the first one we're gonna do is gonna be an ube latte, and this is something that I love at home. I live in Cleveland, and I swear it's not here in Indiana. So this is ube powder, which is sweet potato. It's technically a yam, I guess. It's from.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Now.
It's from my kitchen, and now it's in this glass with sugar and hot water.
Okay.
So this is what that is, and we're gonna add it to some whole milk. Now you can use any type of milk, 2% oat milk, but we're gonna do whole milk because it's gonna make it creamier and probably better.
Okay.
Is this like a breakfasty drink, like a matcha type thing?
Yeah, it can be. So ube is naturally sweet, but I did add some simple cane sugar.
Awesome.
So hopefully it's a little
So
sweeter.
easy. So it's only like what, 3 ingredients?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Easy.
And it does come in a syrup, but we have it in powder.
Oh, okay.
So
Many different forms.
yeah. So we have the whole milk here. Now we're just gonna pour this.
Pretty. That's pretty.
And
Is that it?
yeah.
Oh my God, perfect.
okay, awesome.
Yes, what's the next one?
So the next one is going to be a strawberry pink drink, kind of like Starbucks, but we're gonna make it at home.
Okay.
So can you hand me that, please?
Oh, of course, darling.
Okay, that's better for your wallet if you don't have to go to Starbucks every single morning.
Yeah.
Then
If
you
I can
just
make this
it
at home, I'll be doing it
Exactly.
all the time. Also looks like it's only like 3 ingredients as well.
It is. So we're gonna take some of these strawberries, and these are partly mashed up, but we're gonna mash them up all the way. So we're just gonna scoop these in. Let's do it this way.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
May I help?
Thank you.
Ooh. I love strawberries.
Oh, me
I feel like
too.
this drink is gonna be right up my alley.
Strawberries and watermelon. Those are my favorite, and they're both very
we
like
go.
summery,
Very
springy.
summery, springy drinks. Thank you.
Yes.
And now we're gonna take that spoon back, and I'm just gonna finish mashing these all the way against the side of the glass.
Yeah, I can't have big chunks in your drink.
Okay. So we got that juice out. And then we're gonna add some of this. This is white cranberry and strawberry juice. And this is gonna be the base of our drink.
Okay, yum.
Love it.
And you can make a ton with that. Like that's a
huge bottle.
huge container.
You can make this like for all your friends.
This is like 10 pink drinks in one
Yes.
bottle.
And then we're gonna add some of this Chobani sweet coffee creamer. And so Starbucks uses like oat milk, coconut milk, but I think this works the best personally.
Okay. Let's see, I'm
That's my
excited to
favorite
try.
creamer. So this one looks.
How about
so
you
good.
try that one?
I'll try
then,
this one.
if
Okay.
it's your favorite.
You try the ube because you've never had it before.
Okay.
Okay.
Deal.
And then I'm gonna add some of those strawberry pieces on top.
Garnish. Oh, I'm excited about this one. So it's like a
Cute.
drink and a little snack.
Exactly.
It's
you get
perfect.
a little something to munch on
Oh,
when
yeah.
you're done.
There we go.
Perfect.
Here you go.
All right, what's next? Orange? I see oranges on the table, so that's my guess.
Springy
Yes.
colors. Perfect.
Yes.
So
Purple,
this is, you can kind of call it a mocktail.
Okay.
It has poppy, so could you open this for me?
Oh, of course, darling.
Poppy is a probiotic soda, and this has 5 grams of sugar and 3 grams of fiber. And it has apple cider vinegar in it, which is what calls it a probiotic soda.
Okay.
So it's good for you.
It is good for you.
Okay, perfect.
So this is gonna be the base of our drink, and then we're gonna add some orange juice. This is just regular orange juice with no pulp. And let's fill this up about right here. And then the next ingredient we're gonna add is some coconut water. This is coconut water with vitamin C added to it. Plain and simple. I love coconut water. So.
Yum. I've actually never had it. I've like never had
so
anything on this
good.
table. Except the fruit.
I'd hope
Now-
so.
Yeah. Okay, should we try?
Not done
Wait, no,
yet.
we have.
Oh, we're not done
Not
yet.
done yet. So this is an orange cream soda,
Okay.
and so we're gonna add some of this sweet cream,
That sounds good.
Yum.
and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna top it with a little bit of the poppy to make
Ooh.
what you would call cold foam at Starbucks. The fizz mixes with the Chobani sweet foam to make that. So then we're gonna add an orange slice to the top.
Some more garnish. Beautiful.
And that is our drink.
Pretty.
Beautiful.
Look at the three of them together.
Those are so cute. Okay,
so
this
cute.
is
Okay.
perfect for like if you're having like a spring party or something. Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay, I wanna try this
Strawberry,
one.
and
I'll take
then
this.
you'll take the
Okay.
orange one. Okay, cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Happy spring.
Mmm.
Mine's
That's
just a little,
really
like,
good.
fruity, pebbly, sweet, and
Okay.
You want more sugar?
Good.
This one's
no, it's good.
Can I
it
try
good?
that one?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Little switch.
Tastes like a pink
Ooh.
drink.
Wait, that is a little fruity pebbly.
Isn't it? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, those are so good. Thank you so much, Roma, for showing. When we come back, IU Student Government President and Vice President join us, Arlena Holtz. We'll be back with the interview when we come back.